Hi, I'm Kat Crawford, and we're going to dive into Suno AI, and I'm going to give you sort of a beginner, intermediate, advanced tour. So at a beginner level, this is the website. Some things to consider. I wouldn't say that this would be a website that I would have students under maybe high school level navigating on their own. It could be something that you do as a whole class or maybe in small moderated groups. But there isn't a lot of censorship on this website. And so just going through and listening to different songs without previewing them first or creating songs, students can put a lot of content in there. So just a little disclaimer up front. So for the beginner, this is a great place for you to create songs for your classroom. This could be your class theme song. It could be the cleanup song that you make with students. It could be a school spirit song that you have. It could be a song that you write about a novel that you're reading or a historical story that you're doing, or maybe students have to memorize a lot of content. And so you put all that content into the lyrics and it creates a song in a style of music that kids really like, or in a multiple styles that they can download and they can access that content right away. So let's dive in. At a basic level, you're going to click the create button, and here you're going to see a song description. So it's going to give you 200 characters. You can use commas to separate or write in full sentences to generate a song. So you might say a pop song about the water cycle, and maybe like female vocalist and a big drop in the beat. Okay, let's see what happens. So we click create. It's going to start creating 2 different songs for you to choose from. They're pretty similar. The lyrics are exactly the same. There's just a little bit of a style change. So already it's almost done creating these 2 songs titled Rain Dance with a pop electric type style. It doesn't take very long. Here we go. All the lyrics are over here.
From the sky.
And you can take the song a step further by extending it. You can download the song files as a WAV or an MP3. If you're really advanced, you can download the stems and put them in for mixing and mastering in another DAW program. So it's very detailed as far as what you're able to do. You can give some feedback, turn on a public link here. If you want others to have access to the song, or you want to create a playlist for your students, maybe you just want them to have a place to go so they can listen to some music that you want them to listen to when they're doing some work in class. This is a great way to create that content. So up here, let's take it to the intermediate level and click on this custom button. Here we're able to add our own lyrics. So you can write them yourself, or you can app smash with a ChatGPT or Magic School AI and tell it exactly what you want your lyrics to be about. One thing about Suno is you can't put in actual song or artist titles. So if you want that content, then what you have to do is say, describe the prompt to be a song like this song or like this artist, but don't use their name. So you'll put in your lyrics, you'll put in the style of music. Here you only have 120 characters. And so when you put in the lyrics, you don't get quite as much on the style of music. And then of course you have your title, and then you click create, it'll start making you a song. This week, Suno launched an even crazier option that I think is building towards more original content. So when you go up to the top now, you see this upload audio feature. This allows you to upload anywhere from 6 to 60 seconds. You can record your own song, you can have your own lyrics, you can do instrumentals, whatever you want to do for about 60 seconds. And then you can use that original material that you created to create a cover song. So think of it more as like a remix or a mashup of like what you're creating and what AI is creating to put something new together. And that just came out today. So this is a really cool new feature, just kind of taking it to the next level in song creation. And I hope you enjoy and create some amazing music in Suno. Thanks so much.